I'm Ryan with Prudential Pest Solutions, and we often get phone calls about animals like groundhogs and skunks digging and living underneath porches, decks, sheds, and fences. And anybody with a trap, ourselves included, could come out, we can set a trap, we can live capture, we can remove the animal and evict it from your property. But the more important question is what happens a week from now, a month from now, a year from now? Is that there's nothing stopping another animal, another groundhog or skunk, from moving underneath your deck or your shed. So I like to come up with ideas longer term to keep animals from coming out and living under your property. So there's two methods that we use. One is a product called DigDefence, and it looks like a garden trellis. And what it does is it embeds itself into the ground about 6 to 8 inches deep so that groundhogs and skunks can't dig underneath it. And we can put this around the exterior perimeter of your porch, your deck, your shed, and even your fence. And what it's great is it keeps animals from coming into your fence or coming into your yard through under your fence. And it also, if you have small pets like dogs, it prevents them from digging out and getting out from underneath your yard and leaving your yard. So it's good for both ways. So this is a good product that we can put around fences, sheds, garages, porches, decks, any of those types of structures that groundhogs and skunks will try to dig under. Now, another option that you have is we can use what's called hardware cloth, which is 1/2 inch galvanized hardware cloth that we attach to the structure. And more importantly, we trench it out, we dig it, and we bend it 90 degrees outwards. And what happens is the animal digs, they keep hitting the mesh, and they realize, you know what, we're gonna move on, we can't get under here. So there's two very good and very permanent ways to keep animals like groundhogs and skunks, and also raccoons, possums, cats, from getting underneath your sheds, your porches, your decks, and your fence. So if you have a wildlife issue and you want it to be more than just trapping and removing, give Prudential Pest Solutions a call and we can permanently keep animals out from your property.